Hi there, David. This is Eddie, and I'm from Boundless SEO. Per my conversation with the receptionist, this video will provide 3 quick tips on how to improve your ranking on Google and outrank your competitors. The way we found you was kind of looking through when we do prospects, going through the third and fourth pages of Google and looking at all the rankings and certain niches in regards to what you do. In this case, garage metal doors or services, specifically in that niche. Um, so you're not on the first page of Google. We noticed. Who doesn't want to be in the first page? It's pretty much you're missing out on a bunch of calls, a bunch of leads. Anyway, looking at your website, it looks very good, very clean, very professional. If you are working with somebody, or if this, you know, or if you did this in-house, congratulations. This is a pretty good website. I realized there was a video here, which is pretty neat. Either way, there are some things that need to be worked on. The first thing I want to go over is the amount of content on your page. Pressing Control A will highlight all the content on your page. So pretty much just click on your website, Control A, you see all the highlighted. Press Control C to copy. Then punch that in on a word counter. Looks like you have 250 words in your home page. And really, you want to keep that to at least 1,500. That gives Google enough text to kind of crawl over and with time build trust and give you a good ranking and just understand more about your business so that Google can position your business and suggest to the correct people within a search. So moving on, what I'm going to do now is show you a couple of tools that we use. This one right here, this one is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, of course, but if you like, you could go ahead and jump in, punch in your website. We like to use this one to view all the back end, what's really going on. So real quick, let's go over the UR and DR. These are rankings that are measured out of 100. Just keep that in mind. And it kind of shows your trust within Google. This UR meter here is your power. This here works in collaboration with your backlinks and referring domains, and also in organic keywords. The DR meter is the trust of your website. This is where your company is mentioned on other websites in places found on the internet. For example, name, address, and phone number. It's pretty much when you submit. Jumping onto the organic keywords. First, talk about content. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start putting in all those keywords organically in there without stuffing. Stuffing is basically just like spamming. Keywords all over the page, pretty much making it obvious. Your intentions are to throw these keywords onto your page for no reason. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, keep in mind that Google likes to see a more natural feel on every website and not spammy. With backlinks are other links that are pointing to your website. Say, for example, you jump onto a different type of website. You punch in a description of your business, and then you enter a link. With that link on that website, that's considered backlink. So it kind of points to your website. You do that from another website. You could do that from another website and kind of points onto your website. Referring domains are other websites that are pointing at your website, similar to backlinks. But in this case, examples are forums, like for example, forums, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. I'm sure you're familiar. So building those out would develop a higher trust in your overall web ranking, which is fairly important to your website, and getting you boosted up. So these strategies are definitely something to work on. What we do on our end is basically pull up your top competitor. For example, in this case, we see is Aladdin Garage Doors of Los Angeles. We pull up these standings here. for your competitor, of course. Which, to tell you the truth, it's not really a great website. I really like yours. Yours is probably more professional. But they do have content and they do have keywords. As you can see, they have a UR19, the DR30, backlinks 21, referring domains 18. This is great right here. They don't really have much, so they're easy to beat. But they do have organic keywords here, which pretty much in collaboration are gaining 281 people jumping onto the website monthly, all through their website. Just know, though, for example, that not all backlinks are created equal. Any other industry pointing onto their website that has nothing to do with the services they provide, it's not going to count towards building trust. This here, the DR, even the UR. Instead, it's actually going to dock them and bring them back and start pushing them off. With that said, if you put in those qualities, citations, getting those directories ready and registered, you'll definitely see a boost in getting up there. But again, you need to get those good quality citations and not just any. Let's see. One more thing. I know I said 3 quick tips, but I'll give you a bonus here. I'm feeling kind of generous. So, for example, image optimization is another important aspect to rank up your website. Basically, it's saving your images as a keyword, and I'll give you an example. Let's go with this one. So just go onto an image, right-click, save as. You see they have their pretty much their company name here, Aladdin Doors of Los Angeles, get free estimate. So this is pretty much, I mean, this is good, but it doesn't help at all. If you put in an actual keyword, let's try this one here real quick. Save image as. See, they don't have good a keyword on here, so this is not helping them at all. This is where you can plug in keywords into and will definitely help with ranking your site. So this is pretty much an example if you want to use this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Another free SEO audit report that you can use, it's called the SEO Quake. That's another good one to use as well. But just know that this is your website here. You have 4 organic words that should be helping you out, but without any referring domains or backlinks, it's not really giving you any boost. So that's pretty much it, David. Thank you. If you need more information or have any questions or something you would like to discuss, feel free to give me a call, email me, text me, however you want to reach out, we're here for you. I hope I didn't take much of your time, and I hope you got some value out of this video. Again, feel free to reach out. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.